Lazy. Thank you for watching. Someone's Hi Jumawan TV. Nurses John. Hi. I'm fine. City Vlogs. City Vlogs. I'm doing live. Ang daming tricycle. I have a lot of them. I'm doing live. I'm doing live. Hi, for relaxing music. Relaxing music. Sir John. Expensive. Expensive. Sir John. Sheryl looking good po. Thank you, Sir John. Looking good. Thank you po. Thank you po. Hi, you have what? I am back. Where you from? I am from Philippines. Good afternoon, my Cheryl. Hi, Sir Derek. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. John Talisian. Are you feeling good po? Yes. Sorry. Yes po, Sir John. I feel good. I'm fine. And raining here. I'm always raining here. Thank you po, Sir John. Happy Wednesday. What's up, people? Thursday here. Hi. Oh my God. Oh my God. Very beautiful. Thank you. May asawa kami po. Ganda. Wala pa. Wala. Dati meron, ngayon wala na. love you. Thank you for loving me. I saw that it's sneaky yawning. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why me too, mom? Okay. Hi, Rico Rico. I want. Hi, Milan Muller. Poem, the work of the circle. I'm sneaking in. Sir Fred, good afternoon po. You have lots of love. Thank you for the love. Hi, Jean. Good afternoon. To let seen you, Fred. Good afternoon po. The sex user. Hey, señorita. Hi, Golden Blade. Señorita talaga. I shouldn't just lurk. Apple control. Gamer Garner Miller. Garner Jima. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon. All that can't get past me. Fred. Love your smile. Thank you, Golden Blade. Hi, Sidu Katyuni. Hi, Sidu. Good morning. Good afternoon here. Thank you for the love. Yes, sir. I can't get past here either. Maybe when she's yawning. Look. Oh my god. No. That's a lot. You need a nap. I just wake up from a nap. She never sleep. She never sleep. I think the record is 27 per hour. Sir John, 27. Oh, oh my god. You old people. Uh, Hello, hi, Senor. You old people need snap. Yeah. Yeah, there's another. Keep going. Hey, how are you doing? Hi, Sir Stanley Seas. I know I do. Yeah. Thank you, 35 people. Hi, on TV. I want to make love to you. Huh? Me? Huh? Make love yun. Hi, Sir Bram. Sir Don TV 21. Hello. Hello, my friend. Did you get some sleep? Yeah. Hi. Thank you for the like. GTV vlog. Thank you po. You've been. Sorry. So long, you're probably sleepy. Yes po. Brother Fred. Subs Dan Brian from GTV. Thank you pa, Brother Fred. Hello from GTV. Hi, real me. Hi. Oh, please. Hi, Rose Rose. Hi, Joe Muena. Stefano Bonato. Hello. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Only heaven knows. Man. Add some. What is that? Tuti Hirawati. Tuti Hirawati. I'm not feeling good. Miguel. Hi, Miguel. What are you doing in my life? I'm not doing anything, my goodness. You will taken care of. Yeah, thank you. Yes. Bert Maliki. Bert Maliki. Hi, Nicolas de la Rosa. Remember, Jesus is the only one who loves you. Yes, I remember that. Mm. Oh, ang dami naman. God, it's raining here. The only one? The only one? No, the only one. Remember, Jesus is the only one who loves you. Not only one. Sorry, I'm losing my mind. Jesus. No. Maybe Sir John. Lots of people, ano, loving me. Like my family, friends. Not only one. Where is Hobby? Oh, please. Hobby, he said he meet, he meet, he meet someone. Yeah, like he meet someone, friends. You lost my long time ago. Sir John. Sir Brad. It's still raining there. It's still raining. Oh, I thought he was driving home. He met someone. Maybe he going back home. He met his friend. I think his friend is Art. Sir Art. Good afternoon, Sir Pat. I didn't stay on phone with him because I called him. Oh, and he was driving. Oh, yeah, he is driving. Hello. Hi. Hello, Fred. Good to see you. Hey, Pat from Sir Pat. We're here watching Sheryl Ohm. You need sleep po. Yes, I need to sleep. Aray ko. And sleep. Yes, she does. I think we need some sleep. Yes. I feel I have a headache, something like it's heavy because wait from the rain. I got the videos at Brother's Fred from Sir Pat. You're so beautiful, so pretty. Greetings from Sinado Arauz from Costa Rica. Blessings. Hi, thank you po, Sinado. Join. Yep. Hi from Denmark. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines po. Well, Chick Pat. Chick my video share. Yes po. About Chick, Sir Pat. Good evening. How are you? Hi, Sir Jim Bolton. Hello, Cheryl. I'm back home. Are you back? Oh, so back. I think. Good to see you again, but need some sleep. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Brian. I think Alexander Picado. I love you. Wait. Thank you for loving me, Carlos. You're beautiful. Where are you from? How old are you? I'm from Philippines. I'm 41 years old. Thank you, sister. Welcome, Sir Pat. Edward William. Oh, good, Joycey boy here. From Sir Fred. Hey, Pat. From Mike. Nice. From John. Hello, brother Mike. Good to see you from Sir Pat. He's her dear friend. I love everything. I love everything about you. Thank you po. Holy shit. He called me sir. Lazy days. Oh, God. Did be, did he bump his head, Cheryl? I don't know what happened. Oh my God. I'm good, Fred. Everything is good. Hi, Victor Chavez. Hello po. Yung, yes. I'm yawning. Sometimes, never stop. Hi, Alexander. Mike, you keeping her awake at night? Have a wonderful day. Blessings, darling kisses. Don't let her go. I'll have to go, Shall keep on yawning. Thank you, Sir John. Okay, thank you for joining, Sir John. Sorry, I'm yawning. Oh my God. Take her user and she will keep you keep yawning. Mike, you made it over to see his pretty girl yet? Sir Jim, show everything. I'm fine, Daniel. Thank you, Sir Fred. Jim, I will be heading over and end of March. End of March. Respect next time, Paula. Thank you, Sir Fred. That is good. I think she is ready for your company. Shara getting excited. Who's the girl? Love you. Thank you for loving me. Shell yells for Mike to come now, Jane. Yells. Yells. Oh my goodness. Ha? Magano ka na ano? Takore. Wait, my father's calling me. Why, my God. Why so many people here? Pasok tubig. Oh, wait lang. Mapasok kita tubig. Maano ka pa eh? Mainom lang.
Avocado daw, ma.
Initong ka na avocado na, no? Mainom ka? Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Baby.
Where are you from, Fred? From Sir Jane. Okay, been there many times.
Tayo siya.
Boy. Say hi. Nashville, Tennessee. Oh, wow, nice to meet you, Sir James. I would love to be there. Yes, sure. What part of the Philippines? I'm from Bicol province. I'm from Bicol. Bicolana. James, beautiful here in Philippines. Yes. Wait, I would. Yeah. Tennessee. Oh, okay. Been there many times. Wait. Where are you from, Fred? New York. But tried truck. Hi, Golden. Silly girl. Mura pa mamaya na. Pakaano ka kaya ito? Mamaya na. Oh my God. Hehe. It's the girl with the air is high. With the air. Hey, bawal nag-ano. Hey, are from every place. Yes, Golden. Yes. Retired here, Philippines, James. That's no problem. If you have children, you're always so beautiful. My gorgeous friend, I will marry you. Zinaldo. Zinaldo says he will marry you. I'm not available. I'm taken with someone and getting married soon. Zinaldo. Where is dad? My dad, look. Yes. That's my dad. What happened?
Nag-meeting kami.
Mga yun, naghahanap ng tao dun, ha?
Oo.
Kami yun?
Oo.
Yung mga kotse?
Ang mga kuan.
Hi, Martin.
Farmer.
Welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin. Muntik na masanay ako aking pag-ibig
Nagmamaraan ako kuan. Ay, si mama mapapasakay. Oh, yada.
Bukado.
Ano daw? Isuntok ko lusyon.
Ha?
Langga.
Ulangga, igagahoy ka.
Kami yung gupang si tatay mo bigay.
Pagkatuloy pa rin. Oh, oh, tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay. Paano man ang hugis ng puso mo, na kung amunin ang hangin. Katuloy pa rin. Oh, ayun na, hindi pa naman. Kulit. Macam mga kulit. Gab, kung ano dito, ano na, ang baso ni Papay.
Na yung
Dito doon.
papay ang baso mo. Anong baso mo? Biling ang baso ng papay mo. Ito na may kamputan. Kita. Oo. Damit niya, pa.
Ay, dinara na dito sa pasakay. Pag gusto mo kay Papay, buhala ka nilo. Hindi mo kay Papay, luway-luway.
O, di ba nyo na ako ang tindaan?
Hello, Master Classic. Mike, you found yours on here. Hi, Lloyds. Getting hungry. Hey, Martin, thanks for again for supporting Sheryl Chan, thank you po. This is not dating site. If you're looking for girls, join dating app. President found a Filipina in Leyte area. Hello.
Bukal ko na diyan, bibing. Bukal ko na diyan.
Mike can't afford the mountain marriage. His dad is too big. Join dating site. Join dating app. This is not a dating site, bugs. Thank you po. Thank you.
Tita, dalaw ko na dito ng sukal.
Yes, Fred, but since she's taken, the people need to go to another channel. Cute baby. Sweet freedom of greatness. Hi, I'm new here. Hi, sweet freedom. Ngayon lang, sanay ako. Welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin. But Mike later her enjoy the pick up lines.
Ako ko na mamay.
Then shrug breaker. 47. You like? Oh my god. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Mike. My goodness. I am in Bukidnon, Philippines. Nice to meet you. Muntik na nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Super chats and membership available. Comments are free. Just be respectful, please. Thank you, Mike. So hot. My goodness. Flex your muscles. What a flex. You can kiss me, Gio. Gio, you can kiss her friend. That's so sexy. I like this muscle. No, no, I like it, huh? Like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on that notification bell. Thank you po.
Pamamay, pagdiban sa mga
Ha?
pagdiban. Ano? Inom? Nagkahurog na. Kita. Nagkahurog na.
Di mo man insarado, yung karaon niya ito na ano mo ma'am. Yung kaunan yung kinuhaan sa sarap na ano, kung ayan.
Sa'yo na ba?
Oo, sa'yo na buo talaga.
Ay.
Sabi ko isarado mo, Didi.
Sinara ko din.
Sinara. Sinara mo, di mo man linak.
Kaway siya mabakay.
Karo lang. Sa imo lang. There is no WhatsApp available. Respectful or get Hannah, please and thank you. You tell them Pat, and if they are not respectful, time them out. Thank you po. I will be quiet so I don't get time out. The host is engaged, so look on another channel, everyone that wants to find a girl. My Mike. Hey Tony. Good afternoon. You can drink. You can drink video. She have ring already, Mike? Not yet. The horse is engaged. So, how engaged? So, how engaged? Not yet, but she has my word. Bakit? Come here, Babang. Wow, dito ng baby living. Come here na. Word is not engaged. She have big wing already. Word is nothing. Dainty earring high. Come here na, Babang. Didi bibi didi bidi bibi bibi bang. What are you crying to do, baby? Truly done, truly done, truly dang, truly done, whatever. Why are you crying? I don't know. Why are you crying? I'm crying. You like with?
Biscuit?
You like with them? Say, what do you say? Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Walk into your arm.
Huh?
Oh, what is that? You walk into your arm. Boing my huh? Lalaine. Hi, hello, sister. Good afternoon. Good afternoon from Brother Jello. Hi, Brother Jello. Oh, you may be sweet. What's that? Wait, ayun na, may wait lang oh. Wow, pahingi. Oh my God, pahingi. Oh my God, and the sea and the mers.
Wow.
Ano yan, Be?
Sabon.
Ang pinaka ano?
Bye-bye.
Ano ko, baso, makape ako.
Oh. It's okay, Sir DJ Fred, matchmaker bowling man. I'm used to it now. Every day occurrence now and will continue every day. Haha. Hi, hello. Hello, Lalaine. Okay, guys, have a good day. Thank you, Sir Fred. Lalaine, enough. Enough, Lalin. Enough. Enough. Oh.
Hindi pa talaga
I need to, go to shower. Shower time. Fred doing live soon. Shower time, need to, need to go shower time. Okay, brother Mike. Bye-bye. I need to, shower. Ah. Bye. Bye. See you soon.